It's really important for a university and especially an academic medical center to empower students with technologies of the future. The Health Design Lab is part design studio, part makerspace, and it's a purpose-built creative space for clinicians, students, and patients.
What we are finding by teaching medical students is that 3D printing is a very powerful tool for them to be able to visualize and think three-dimensionally, and also to create models and get haptic feedback.
One of the reasons why we have ultimaker 3D printers is because it's really easy to teach people how to use them. We like to teach all of our medical students in our design program how to 3D print. And we can do that in just a few hours. They can get up and running and printing something.
We think there is huge potential, and we're just scratching the surface right now. We have so many more cases that we want to do, and it's just a matter of time.
One of the really great things about working at a university and an academic medical center is that you have students who are incredibly intelligent and incredibly motivated, and they really are the change makers of healthcare. If you think about students, those are the people who are going to be running this industry in the future.
The S5s are just a game changer for us because we are able to print anatomical parts in their entirety. So for example, there was a case that we did on a pelvis. We actually print that whole pelvis in one piece. Before, we would have to print it in two pieces and connect them together and actually glue the pieces together. And that was not time effective for us. We need to be able to get that print done as quickly as possible.
We can take an image from a patient, whether it be a CAT scan or an MRI, and we can convert that into a 3D printable model in just a matter of minutes and have that model printed out and in the hands of a surgeon in just about a day.
And we find this to be incredibly powerful, that the surgeon can actually pick up and feel and get that haptic feedback from a real anatomical model that is specific for that patient. And it's really revolutionized the way that surgeons look at some procedures.
The price of an ultimaker 3D printer is one that any healthcare system could afford it. And it's easy enough to run so that any could actually run it. And if you can afford it and you can run it, you can begin to have an impact on patient care.
What surprised me the most is, why isn't this happening already? It's so easy to do, and it's so cost effective. And it really has inspired our team to look for more low-hanging fruit like this, of how we can use additive manufacturing, how we can use 3D printing to be able to shorten the time needed for operations, for example, or to improve outcomes, or to be able to just help a patient understand what's going on in a procedure.